Hey everyone, so today is the 4th of July, so I figured I would pull out my camera and vlog a bit today. We got some fireworks, we're gonna have some hot dogs and all that kind of stuff that comes with the 4th of July for dinner. So I figured I would just pull out my camera and vlog it for y'all. So it's been raining, but it just cleared out, so hopefully we won't have any issues with fireworks later. Unfortunately, the area that we grill at is covered, so we should be good to go. It wouldn't be a Florida 4th of July without any rain, that's for sure. Fortunately, it's not too hot outside. It's just like in the 80s, which is really nice for us. So hopefully it's gonna be a good day, and I can't wait for y'all to watch today's vlog. And here are the fireworks I got last night. Believe it or not, this is $100 in fireworks. So the place that I get fireworks from, they had them buy one, get one free. So there are these. They're just the little, let me show you. These are just the ones that go in the tube and shoot up. So I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 little packets of these. And then I got 2 of these. Florida, you actually have to sign a waiver when you're buying fireworks that you're only going to use them for agricultural purposes. Just wanted to let y'all know that. Let me know down in the comments if you have to do that in your state as well. I think it's a little weird. It started a few years ago. We used to just be able to set off fireworks here, but I guess technically we're not allowed to anymore. So let me know what it's like in the state that you live in. This poor little guy, he doesn't like the sound of the fireworks, so he's gonna be super scared tonight. This big guy is not scared of fireworks, so he's ready for the party to start. And he's taking a nap beforehand. You sleepy? This is Jax, by the way. I don't know if I've introduced y'all to him. And this is Tavy. They're my boys. He is a 1.5 year old boxer, and he is 5. He's a Boston Terrier. I feel like I'm looking very festive. I've got my American flag shorts on, red and white shirt. Yeah, so for now we're kind of just waiting for it to get a little darker, closer to dinner time, and then we'll start grilling some hot dogs. And once it gets dark, we'll start doing some fireworks. We've got the hot dogs on the grill, but it's starting to rain again. Okay everyone, it is officially dark outside, so it's time to do some fireworks. Let's get started.
Where did that one go?
I don't know. Oh, that just flew right past your head. Look how smoky it is. Jesus. That's crazy. That one was like perfect for the last one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, that is it for my 4th of July vlog. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying my vlogs. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And happy 4th of July, everyone. Bye.